Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by Amazon, and pretty much what it is the third generation Amazon Echo. So if you guys remember, I actually have a Echo Dot from the first and second generation, and I have the Echo from the second generation, and then I have the Echo Dot from the third generation, and now I have the third generation Echo. But first thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you what comes out the packet and how it looks like first. So when you first open the package, this is what it looks like right there. So it has a simple step to set up and use this product right here. Download the app, plug in the Echo, set it up with the app, and just say Alexa. So just like the older Amazon Echo experience when you guys first get it, you guys have this little handle right here to hold it, to pull it up. You guys can see right there. And then when we open this compartment in the bottom, you guys can see there's like the cable to charge the product and activate it. And as you can see in the bottom, they have a little instruction guide on how to set up the product and how to use it. But essentially, this is what the product looks like. If you guys open up this little part to unseal it, you guys can take it out like that. So first thing you guys kind of notice is that there's actually no more label. If you guys remember, there was like an Amazon Echo, some kind of logo right here in the front, which I'll show you guys in a second. So that's gone. You guys can see in the top, this is what it looks like right there. So you guys can see there's a little bit different of the design right there, but you guys still have the 7 different mics on here, so you guys can have a much better experience when you guys are talking to Alexa, so that way you can hear it from almost anywhere. One of the huge differences that you can see from this Echo device versus the older one is the fact that you guys can actually remove this skin cover or anything. So you guys remember the older one, you guys can actually remove it by clicking the little button on the bottom to release this, and then you guys can change the cover to a different color if you guys don't like it. Whereas this one, once you guys get that certain color, you guys are pretty much stuck with that color, and you guys can't change that color unless you guys buy a different Echo device. And obviously, if you guys look at the bottom, there's a little screw right here where you guys can actually attach it like a little speaker between both your TVs and pair it onto your TV or something. And then if you guys look at the back side, you guys still have the aux cord slot right here, and you guys have the cable slot right here. So for this new cable to plug it in to activate or charge the product is actually different than the older one. So if you guys want to use the older one, you guys cannot. I actually tried it already. That's how I know, and that's how I failed. So that way you guys don't have to make the same mistake for yourself. So that's pretty much everything that's on this product. Now let's actually go plug it in and test it out to see how well it performs and everything comparing to my old Echo, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the Amazon Echo second generation and third generation right here. The right one is the third generation, which is the newest one, and the left one is the second generation. You guys can tell by the difference. The one on the right doesn't have Amazon logo, but the left one does. And if you guys look on the top, this is basically what the difference is, if you guys can see. And you guys can't actually remove this part of the speaker like how you can for the older one. And by removing it, I mean you can't actually remove this whole cover out here. So this new one you can remove it, but the old one you can. But let's compare the audio for both of these products. So let's start with the left one first, which is the older one. So now let's try the other one. So that's basically the test between both of these. Not sure if you guys can hear the difference or not, but there is a huge difference. And then for the performance, I don't know if you guys can tell or not tell, but when you guys listen to the one that's left side, the old one, it's much softer than the newer one. And the one on the right one is actually much more powerful and louder. And by more powerful, I mean they upgraded the tweeter and the woofer on the brand new Echo device. So you guys can definitely hear a huge difference and much more powerful audio and also bass when you guys are listening to the music. And if you guys don't want too much of the bass, you guys can actually control it on the app to kind of like lower the bass, the trebles and whatnot. So if you guys go to your audio setting on your Alexa app, you guys can control like the bass, the mid-range, and treble on here. So basically just on your device settings on your Amazon Echo device. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see there is a little bit of a difference. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the difference or not, but I can definitely hear like a slight difference when I'm here testing both of them side by side. There's definitely a much stronger like bass or audio compared to the older one because they have a bigger woofer and a bigger tweeter. But judging by the test of this one versus the older one side by side, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not to upgrade from the older one to the new one, or whether or not it's actually worth it to just get this one if you guys don't have it. I wouldn't say that it's actually worth upgrading if you guys don't have the budget or don't want to spend the money, because there's like a slight difference with the audio and the bass between this one versus the other one. You guys definitely hear like a much better audio and clarity from here versus the older one. But then if you guys don't really care about that too much and you guys like your Echo device, then just keep your older one. It's not something worth spending another $100, unless you guys really want the newer thing, then definitely get this. But if you guys not willing to spend the $100 just for like a little upgrade, then don't go for it, especially since you guys can't remove the skin on here. But for those of you guys who don't have one or just want to have the newest one, then obviously I would say that's actually worth it, especially since the audio is better. The microphone that's built on this product is better as well. Like when I was using it, it was really nice and it was actually much easier for Alexa to hear me. So if you guys don't want Alexa to hear you, then don't get this product obviously, but that's definitely a huge upgrade as well. But like how I say on all my videos, if you guys don't need this or don't want this, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click that bell notification on the bottom to be notified of new videos that will come out soon. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have